Welcome to Dream Doors Bath and West Wiltshire. Dream Doors are the UK's leading kitchen transformation business, allowing you to save up to 50% on the price of a new kitchen. We do this by only changing the things that you can see, touch and feel in your kitchen, retaining your existing cabinets. This means that you have less waste, less tradesman time, and it's a much more environmentally friendly solution to renovating your kitchen. Our range of doors, worktops, sinks, appliances and flooring includes such well-known brands as Neff, Hotpoint, Silestone, Corian, Blanco and Franke. As well as kitchen makeovers, we can also supply you a brand new kitchen and have computer-aided design capability, so you can actually see the kitchen of your dream on our screens. We look forward to seeing you at our brand new showroom at number 10 Silver Street in Bradford-on-Avon, where you can see some fantastic examples of your dream kitchen. Parking is available by the railway station in the centre of town. We look forward to seeing you soon.